Okay, I'll just show you how to set the Sat Nav in this 2011 Peugeot 308. Any screen, you've got Sat Nav button here, the Nav button, so click on Nav. That's coming up. It's just got a load of previous addresses. If you wanted to, sorry, I'll just do that again, I've timed out. But if you wanted to go to any of those, your previous addresses, you just turn that down. If not, you press Nav again. That comes up with resume guidance or destination input. So we go to destination input, click OK by pressing the rotary control. Address input, choose from address book, choose from last destinations. We want address input. So there we go, city. You've got Great Britain city, but down here, which isn't highlighted, is postal code. That's what we want. So we turn the rotary control to postal code, click on OK for postal code, and now we've got the alphabet. And we're Grosvenor Garage. It's a rotary control, so it takes a bit of time. Blackburn Road, Preston, PR. Now we need to go to the numbers. 5. It's 4, PR54. So select PR54, click OK, and now it's allowing you to put the street. So click on street, so B, L, and it's giving you the choice. It's zoomed into Blackburn Road, and that's what we want, so we click OK. Start route guidance, start. And then we're going to click OK again, so you're not going to be distracted. Fast route, short route, fast route, that's what we want. That's it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.